Living and non-living things. There are many things in our surroundings, such as human beings, plants, animals, bicycles, houses, stones, roads, benches, etc. These things can be categorized as living things and non-living things. Some of the non-living things are natural things, while others are made by humans and are called man-made things. Natural things. Nature provides us many things which are either living or non-living things. Humans, plants and animals are living things. Stones, water, air, sand, etc. are non-living things. Man-made things. Things which are made by humans are called man-made things. Bicycle, house, road, car, scooter, etc. are the examples of man-made things. Thus, natural things and man-made things are the two types of things found in our world. Living and non-living things. Natural things include living things and some non-living things. Things such as humans, animals and plants which have life are known as living things. Things such as water, air, stones, etc. which have no life are known as non-living things. All man-made things are non-living things because they do not have life. Living things need food. Living things cannot survive without food. If they do not get food for a very long time, they will die. Food helps all living things to grow and live. Food also gives us energy needed to work and play. Like us, animals and plants also need food to stay alive. Animals get their food from plants and other animals. Plants make their food themselves with the help of air, water, and sunlight. Non-living things do not need food because they do not have life. Living things grow. All living things such as human beings, plants, and animals grow. If we see our picture when we were born, we see a small baby and compare it with our present picture, we observe that we are growing continuously. After some years, we will grow into an adult. Like us, plants and animals also grow. Seeds grow into plants and chicks grow into cocks or hens. Our book, pencil, doll, bicycle, none of them grow at all. So, all living things grow while non-living things do not grow. Living things can move. Most of the living things move. We walk to different places. All animals can walk. All birds can fly in the sky. Plants do not move like us or animals. But on observation, it can be seen that some parts of the plants can move a little. For example, sunflower. It turns its face towards the sun. We can also observe the movement of the leaves of a touch-me-not plant when we touch it. Living things breathe. When we keep our hand in front of our nose, we feel the air coming out of our nose at regular intervals. Now, when we close our nose for a few seconds with our fingers, we feel uncomfortable. Now again release the nose. We feel that we start to take in deep breaths at once. It shows that we cannot live if we do not breathe. Like us, animals and plants also breathe to live. Most animals breathe through their nose. Frog breathes in water through its skin and breathes through its lungs when it is out of water. Fishes breathe through their gills. Grasshoppers, cockroaches, ants, etc., breathe through spiracles present in their body. Plants do not have a nose like humans, but they have very small holes on their leaves called stomata. They breathe through stomata. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things feel. When we touch anything, we can feel that the thing is rough or smooth, hard or soft. We can also feel whether the thing is hot or cold. Like us, animals can also feel cold, heat, and pain. They can also feel danger. They search for their food with the help of their sense organs. Plants can also feel. They do not have sense organs, but they can feel the changes around them. Sunflowers turn towards the sun. The leaves of the touch-me-not plant close immediately when we touch the plant. Living things reproduce. All living things such as humans, animals, and plants reproduce. Humans and most animals give birth to babies while plants produce seeds. This process is called reproduction. A cow gives birth to a calf. A cat gives birth to a kitten. Similarly, donkeys, monkeys, goats, rabbits, etc. also give birth to their babies. Some animals such as snakes, birds, and insects reproduce by laying eggs. Their babies hatch from these eggs. Most plants reproduce with their seeds. When the seeds fall on the ground, they grow into new plants with the help of sunlight, air, and water. Some plants such as potato, ginger, rose, etc. produce new plants from different parts of the plant, such as stems, roots, and leaves. Non-living things such as tables, chairs, balls or clothes, etc. do not reproduce. All living things get old and die. All living things such as humans, animals, and plants live for a short or a long time. Humans live for a long time, while different animals have different lifespans, such as a dog lives for about 12 years. Plants also have a different lifespan. Some trees such as peepal and banyan live for a very long time. Non-living things do not have a life and so they do not grow and die.